Turn it very well. You're not turning this corner. Turn this corner. Let me help you. Okay, you're not. Yeah, add this one. It's heavy. Yeah, let me try it. Yeah, turn. Yeah, let me hold it. I will join you.
Hold my hand.
I should hold your hand. Yeah, let's turn it. So we increase it from here. I will cover it and let it cook. Okay? Don't enter inside the pot. So. Auntie Divine, you can come. Don't off my fire! Yeah, let me open for you. Yeah, turn your stairs.
Wait.
Yeah, don't add. Yeah, add the carrots. Then add this one. Chef Kiki, have you tasted your stew?
Yes.
When did you taste it? Yes. Let me bring your tasting spoon. Yeah, take taste. Let's taste.
Okay.
It's hot. I don't say drink, oh. It's hot. Blow it. How does it taste? Should you add Maggi? Should you add anything? Eh?
No.
It's okay. Chef, Uncle tasting. Oh yeah, come see. That's okay. That's okay. It's okay for the tasting. Let's add our pasta. See, just see the whole place. Oh yeah, pause. Let's add our pasta. Hey, you don't do.
Hey!
You don't do. Oh yeah, let's put our spaghetti inside. Oh yeah. Wait, no. Let mommy help you for this one. So mommy is helping KK because this is fuller and taller than him. This is not yet cooked. Now remove your spoon. And going offline. Oh, our pasta spaghetti is ready. Let's see. Ready? Chef KK has just Chef KK. Just Negedu, my chef. Eating directly from hot pots is just see what you are doing. See what you are doing.
I'm watching Chef KK's kitchen.
See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.
Don't forget to